Presenting the Redgear Blaze semi-mechanical wired gaming keyboard in black color. The dimensions of the keyboard are 18 by 44.2 by 4.2 centimeters. It has an aluminium body with beveled edges and features a sleek and ergonomic design, making it portable for the gamers on the move. The semi-mechanical keyboard comes with floating key caps, ensuring greater durability and higher responsiveness. The Blaze has a Windows key lock option that allows you to play easily without any interruption. It also comes with 19 anti-ghost keys for an enhanced gaming experience. The LED backlit keyboard comes with 3 color modes for all your gaming needs. The Blaze keyboard has a lifespan of up to 10 million keystrokes. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy, and further information, visit the product detail page.